Good morning, friends. This is Shriyasha from Crazy Money Mystery, and today is 29th of September. And let me tell you the market updates for today and what can happen based on yesterday's data. What can happen for today? So, if you're not actually a part of my YouTube channel, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the latest updates. So, let's try to understand what happened yesterday and what could happen today. So yesterday market have actually rallied quite a lot, and the same thing happened even in the US. The expectation is more on the new stimulus bill which can actually happen. They are planning for a 2 trillion 2.5 trillion dollar bill which they are liking to pass. But looking at the way actually things are there, and since the election is there, this actually probably only the talks are actually going to happen. Conclusion may not happen because both the parties have the disparity. What they are trying to look at is way beyond, and any kind of deal which could happen looks unlikely as per all the analysts. Now, if the deal going to happen, then actually it will definitely be a positive surprise for the market. Now, coming back to this, the entire shift right now is towards US presidential election debate between the Joe Biden and Trump. That is going to actually happen today evening at today night in the US timing. So whatever impact is going to happen probably in the US market, which will start reacting today, which will reflect tomorrow for us. So keeping that aside, let us try to analyze the charts and let us look at what is happening in the Indian market as per the options data. What I can see as of now, we are seeing the highest open interest somewhere around 11,300 levels. So that is one very important aspect. And even Bank Nifty 22,000 actually has a good amount of open interest right now. That is where actually the entire thing is moving. And as you have seen that base have actually started taking the grip. So this is a place where there will be definitely the base will not want to move beyond this. So looking at that, let's see how actually market may open positive. If you can see, the futures are showing the opening will be positive. That will it stay positive is something which we have to wait and watch. The entire thing is actually looking from the US perspective. At the same time, even S&P is at a very important critical levels. We are very close, near to the previous all-time highs. See, generally the previous all-time highs there will be lot of supply, and the supply is not going to die off soon. So this supply, if it has to actually be surpassed, then actually there has to be some extraordinary good news, or there has to be a good amount of liquidity. Liquidity is still there in the market, that is there, but as I told you earlier, there is a good amount of liquidity which has actually also moved out of it. So let's see how actually things are going to work out. So since bears are actually on the move, let's see if they can actually break this market or hold the market. I'll be closely watching at this point of time. Today closing will be very critical. Based on the closing today, we may see any signs if we can actually move higher or lower. uh, my view right now is a little neutral. I am actually having a wait and watch at this point of time to see where actually market is heading towards. As of now, though long term still looks bullish, medium term, short term are as of now still bearish. Banks are still on the completely on the bearish side. So let's see how actually things are going to happen. And Bank Nifty 22,000 is going to act as a very strong resistance. So let's see how actually these resistances will act upon. and are we be able to move beyond this, or will this actually rally which actually started from 10,800, will it last? So today is a day where I think we will come to know some about this market condition, how much strength the market has. uh, will the market be able to move beyond this? How are the other things are going to support? We need to wait and watch. There was a monetary policy meeting which was actually scheduled to start from today, which actually has been deferred. So as of now, there's no specific uh, Indian market news for this week. There's no data which actually gets announced, or though there was a news saying that a new stimulus package even is going to come from the Indian scenario. We are not sure when it is going to be announced, or what is the plan. It is still not clear. So we'll have a wait and watch. This week has a truncated week because this week Friday is an off because of Gandhi Jayanti. So uh, it's only the Thursday where actually the markets are going to be there. So we need to wait and watch, and this week the expiry will be quite interesting. So let's see how actually things will work. So this week probably is more stringed, and uh, probably it's more neutral kind of a thing. Right now, since we are at the resistance levels, so we will closely wait and watch. Not advised to have any fresh longs at this stage. uh, Probably there will be some amount of selling which could come, profit booking which could come, because 3 days market has 2 days already the market has rallied quite a lot. Today there could be some profit booking which could happen in the market. So will it be profit booking, or will it actually get into a new shorts, is something which we have to see, and based on that we can actually take a call. So if you have liked the video, if you have liked actually the content which I am sharing, please like this video, um, subscribe to the channel and share it with all your friends. If you actually are new to the market, want to get to know about the get some training out of this, go and look at the playlist. I have a free program for you for 5 days, and if you are interested to know more about any of my advanced programs, you can actually click on bit.ly/askSree. ASKSREE. A is capital, so you can just actually go and click on that and come and connect with me and ask me any questions related to what you want to actually learn. I'll be able to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.